I literally think I'm cockeyed, y'all.
You're not cockeyed.
If I'm cockeyed, don't. If I'm cockeyed, comment down below. Oh, look.
I look at your face
Look.
almost every
Look. It's a weird video intro. Alright, y'all, what's poppin', man? Welcome back to another video. This is straight up a vlog. I started apprenticeship class like, I don't know, like last week. I had my first day last week. And it was pretty cool, I ain't gonna lie, it's like a throwback to like school. Like me and my coworkers, all the first and second years, we like in one class, and then third and fourth years in another class, and it's kind of dope. Like the class was dumb funny. Like we was laughing the whole time. Everybody was in there joking. They had food. The food was good. Like, but anyways, y'all. I'm finna just basically let y'all know just show y'all what I got from my apprenticeship class. And yeah, y'all seen the title and thumbnail, man. Today's video is Apprentices Have More Fun. As y'all can see, man, I'm always in a good mood. I do a lot of hard work sometimes, and sometimes I be chilling at work. But every day it's like I learn something. Whether it's something with life or whether it's something with electrical, I don't know. But yo, that's why I titled this video Apprentices Have More Fun, because we do. And I got a lot of big trips and vacations stuff coming up, y'all. But y'all gonna love this. Like, I'm gonna vlog with everything. I'm really trying to work on getting a new camera though. Like, I need something small, like something that I can really bring to work, and it's not like a burden. Like this right here, my camera. Y'all don't probably know, well, you probably can't see it, but this camera is freaking huge, and I can't bring this to work. It's too huge, and it's too expensive, and it's like a liability to be trying to like bring to work. And plus, I'm working. Like, I need something like, I need a camera like it's kind of like this big. I can kind of like have on my body or something, or just post up real quick when I'm just doing work and easy to vlog. I'm gonna get something like that to the channel. But anyways, y'all, this is what I got. This might be a thumbnail, I don't know. But this is what I got though, y'all. They gave us a little book bag or whatever, and it has some books in it, so I'm gonna set all the books. One second. Alright, y'all, so this right here is the stuff. Let me give y'all a look at it. I'm finna unbox this real quick, and we're finna go over what all this is together. So yeah, I'm gonna get right back with y'all after I open this up and look through it. So yeah, but it's pretty cool though, y'all. Also, this is the reason why, for those of y'all that still, trying to figure this and figure that out, this is why you need to get with a company that offers apprenticeship programs, because they literally pour money into you. Like, not only as an apprentice do you get money and you get paid to learn, they pour into you. Like, your company literally invest in you. Like, I don't know, like, I got so much, working like for a company, I got so much access to like all these different types of tools. They literally pay for the apprenticeship classes. When I got the work hours to get my journeyman license, they pay for that. Like, they literally are with you the entire ride. Like, and I know a lot of y'all kind of be like on some stuff like, dang man, is it gonna be worth it in the end? Like, once I finish my apprenticeship, is it gonna worth it? Look, y'all, I had the same question and doubt sometimes, but that's why you take it day by day, man. It's a grind, and you just gotta have faith, bro. Like, that's pretty much all I said. But a lot of electricians have been telling me, man, hey, you wanna get that journeyman? That whole everything switch up once you get that journeyman, bro. You're a way more valuable and skilled person technically when you get that license, and hey, you get more in different type of high value jobs, high paying jobs when you get like, this is a whole other world. Like, it's just like a little step up once you get that license. And eventually, the end goal is, hey, get your master license. But yeah, but anyways, y'all, I'm yapping too much. I ain't trying to yap too much in this video. I'm trying to do straight pure vlogging. This is what I like doing. And I say this every single video, y'all, but I be trying to post more consistently. And I look up, it's like I take one blink of an eye and a month has passed. I'm like, damn, I need to post a video. But I'm finna show you all this stuff I got, so yeah. Cap, y'all. First page I accidentally opened up was basic math and my brain just automatically started hurting. Like, I hate math so much, y'all. Y'all probably like, oh, how are you an electrician? You hate math. Let me tell y'all something. You don't need math. Whoever told y'all that you need complicated math, they lied. Like, I'm telling you, they lied. And I even to mention y'all, I literally met, when I was working construction, I came across an electrician that could barely read. You definitely don't need to read no math. Look at this trig, bro. I hated this in law school. I hated it. Trig? Trig. Like, this book got math in it, bro. I'm already like, ugh. Okay, now this is a little bit more familiar, like about the series circuits. I had to go through this in college. But I'm just finna do a little flip through for y'all, just so y'all like, you know, the type of like info that be in the books and what the books look like for those y'all that, you know, haven't got your hands on like some apprenticeship type stuff. But it's basically just a bunch of stuff to be more knowledgeable and get like an understanding. But let me tell y'all something. I work in the field every day, minimum 5 days a week, sometimes 7 days a week. Sometimes I work for a week straight. This stuff in these books, calculations, you don't use none of this. Now, if it's somebody that's more qualified watching this video, like a super experienced electrician that has ran through this stuff in the field, please comment down below, please, and let me know. This stuff that I'm showing you in the books, just let me know if you've been an electrician that's been through an apprenticeship program, or just an electrician, anybody that's watching this that's been an electrician for a long time. If you have seen any of this stuff in these books in the field, let me know. Like, if you had to use calculations, because I never have seen anybody just start breaking out math calculations. Like, I just haven't. I ain't gonna lie, now this is cool. Okay, this chapter about generators. Mind you now, like I told y'all, I don't like the camera I use. This is a huge camera. I can't like bring it with me every day to work because I do some pretty cool stuff sometimes. I'd be like, oh my god, if I could just vlog this. And I don't like to have my phone out because, you know, some people don't like when you working and you trying to, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I actually got a chance to test some generators one day. But not like these though. They was like some super huge like generators. So like these are like regular generators. We was like testing some generators that was like powered up to like an entire building. And what was so funny about that, the generators had, let me tell you this quick story real quick. And I'm not trying to yap to y'all, but we went to a building downtown in my city, right? To test some generators. The generators had codes to them. Nobody knew the codes. Nobody. Like, nobody could find the codes. They weren't written down nowhere. Dude called like a million people like, hey, what's the code to this? Nobody knew. You know what I did? Did some real Gen Z stuff. I typed in the brand of the generators and typed in a default passcode. Guess what the first thing that popped up was for? The code. It was so funny. And like the dude I was working with, he's a pretty young electrician himself. He's like a year or two older than me. He was so freaking amazing. He's old fashioned though, but he was like so amazed. Like, and like every generator I went to had the same default code. He was telling everybody like, yeah, he figured it out. I'm like, it felt good. And I'm like, all I did was do some Gen Z stuff. Like, y'all know we don't got the answer to something, we gonna look it up. It don't matter what it is. Like, bro, I can have a weird bump growing up my face. I can look up, why is it a bump on my right cheekbone? I'm gonna find the answer. I swear to God, like that's how Gen Z do everything. But I thought that was like super funny, bro. But yeah, y'all, this is the book. That was like a little look through. Understanding electrical theory. That's pretty much what that entire book is about. So I'm gonna go see what the next book is about. So this one is understanding fundamental NEC requirements. But this is interesting because working in industrial, like I noticed that a lot of guys, they know like a lot of code stuff. Like they know a lot of code stuff. And they be like, you know, just teach me a little stuff here and there when they got a chance. And I really want to get like fired with knowing like the code, like what you supposed to use, what you can't use, you know, stuff like that. I think that'll help me in the long run. But let me give y'all a quick sneak peek at this book. So let's skim through. Off the bat, I noticed that this book has a little bit more pictures, and I like stuff with pictures. Like, not to sound simple-minded, but I just like looking at stuff. Because like, okay, stuff like this, like you see this in the field, and if you read something about what you're seeing, it kind of helps. Like when you see it, it's like it'll ring a bell. Like, oh, I remember I seen this in a book, and it said do this, or yeah. So I really like that. Like this book already, I'm living. Understanding fundamentals, NEC requirements, I'm living it. Like it has a lot of like just pictures, bro. Like that's what we need to see. Pictures. We need to see what the field looks like. Yeah. I ain't gonna lie, I'm actually have fun reading these. Not even gonna lie. Reading them, just going through them like little quizzes and stuff. I can genuinely see myself having fun. Stuff like that. Yeah, y'all. Oh, this is such like so exciting, man. Oh my gosh. Anyways, y'all know I gotta ask y'all like I do every video. What's up with y'all? Like y'all comment down below your age, comment down below where you from. I see a lot of people be coming like how much they started out making. Y'all can do that. Like, yeah, let me know how much y'all started out making like your first year or whenever you first, whatever you're doing. I know some of y'all be making some crazy money. I know that. Some of y'all be making some crazy bread. Y'all be telling me. I'm trying to get like y'all. I ain't made it that far yet, you know. I ain't making like, you know what I'm saying, crazy, man. But then again, y'all, I still live at the crib, so. I don't really have to make crazy bank. It's like, shout out to my dad, man. Let me get on my feet first. Let me get good at a profession first before I get out there on my own. W Dad. Yeah. Last two books we got here, y'all. We got the OSHA book. If y'all didn't know, your boy is OSHA 10 certified. So, you know what I'm saying? I got a little, you know, I'm a little safe. Just a little safe. You know what I'm saying? I'm a little safe. I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm gonna be like completely honest with y'all. If y'all ever took an OSHA class or do anything OSHA is pretty much common sense. It's like, don't do this so you won't die. It's just simple safety knowledge like that everybody should know that wants to live. Like, okay, let me see if I can find an example. Mind you, I just got this book, y'all just see me open it. I'm just gonna look at a question on here and I'm gonna just see. Like, I can show you a prime example of like a question is being slapped common sense. Hopefully. Let me see. I thought they had like some multiple choice. I'm trying to find that in here. Okay, like right here. Oh my gosh, this little book got a lot of info. Well, y'all, I ain't gonna lie, I'm kind of wrong. This is not totally common sense. Some of this you kind of gotta do read the OSHA book. Like, this one questions right here though. Like, number one, a person who's capable of identifying existing and predictable hazards and surrounding of working conditions is called, yeah. My brain ain't working right now. It's like late PM. So we're gonna come back to that. But I'm gonna open the last book for y'all and we're gonna get off this arc of the video because I know I'm probably boring y'all to death. If y'all wanna see me ride some jet skis though, look no further. The day has stayed, and as the day winds down, I'm finna go watch sunset. Y'all get to come along. I know this ain't got nothing to do with electrical, but I mean, I just want to share some with y'all, you know what I'm saying? It's beautiful, like, so y'all should see it too. Ain't it right? Look at that. We came just in time for the sunset. It's literally like winding down. Well, as y'all people can see, after my cool little beach B-rolls and beach talk, I'm back at work today, y'all. I'm gonna do a good productive day in, and yeah, I'm excited. We currently just been putting in cable tray. I may be able to show y'all today, I may not. And yeah, we've just been putting the cable tray in and getting everything set up for another huge pool across this car manufacturing plant. I think it's like 1,600 feet to like this huge 1,200 amp panel. I may be able to get clips of it, I may not. We gonna see today. But I hope y'all boys and girls been enjoying the vlog so far. I just wanna say thank you to everybody that's been watching, that's been keeping up. Y'all bear with me. I mean, I know I probably got to the point where I'm posting like day by day. Well, not day by day, month by month now. But hopefully sometime in the future I can like just be getting out more content. Yeah. Alright y'all, we're on break right now. But if you was ever wondering what the industrial environment is like, this is like a quick glimpse. As you can see, you have to have a hard hat, harness, lift, like gotta follow all the safety procedures. It's kind of loud in here, and it's a lot of moving parts. And essentially, I'm gonna be honest with y'all, most of the work we'll be doing is like commercial and an industrial environment. If that makes any sense, but yeah, I'm trying to show y'all I'm like a jungle in here. It's like a middle of jungle. And yeah. So basically, if you look above me at these cable trays, we've been installing cable trays like all throughout, not all throughout the building, but through a certain part of the building, like about 1,600 feet. And these cable trays run all the way to a panel. Basically running these cable trays so we can run wire through all of it to safely guide it to the panel to get power. So yeah, industrial isn't as bad as people may say or think. You have to know a lot, but it's not bad. So I'm gonna catch y'all though.
Yeah.